To merge question sets in Blooket, all you have to do is log into your Blooket Plus account and click on My Sets in the side column. Now I want to create a review set combining my multiplication tables for the numbers 1 and 2 into one master review set. So I'll find the question sets that I want to merge and hover over the gear icon for this first set. It's important to note that merging sets will copy questions from the second set into this first set. So if you wish to create an original copy of that first set, first simply copy this set before starting this process. So before I click merge, I'll select copy and then yes. This will open up your copied set. Now click save set. Now that I have a copy of that first set, I'm ready to proceed. So I'll hover over that gear icon and select merge. Select the second set you wish to merge into this first set and then click yes to merge the sets. This will open up your first set, which now contains all of the questions from both of those sets. At this point, you can modify this set or rename it by clicking edit info. And once you're happy with your set, click save and then save set. Now you're ready to play with your set. To learn more about hosting games, click on this video right here. Or if you want to learn more about organizing your growing number of question sets, click on this video right here. Either way, we will see you in the next one.